Nestled in the rolling hills of Calabasas is the beautiful guard-gated neighborhood of Mont Calabasas. At the very top of the hill is this lovely home. The awe-inspiring view is panoramic and includes most of the Calabasas area. Expansive entry with natural stone floor and high ceiling. The formal living room is perfect for entertaining. This room opens to patio and pool area. Additional outdoor dining on this protected patio. Following the entry hall to the dining room and kitchen, breakfast and family room. Gather your friends and family on special occasions here. Cozy patio just off the dining room. Sunny breakfast area. Show off your culinary skills here. Excellent appliances and beautiful cabinets.